Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about depression is seen in hyperthyroidism. It is seen in adrenal disorders like adrenal disorders also. Actually, depression is seen in hyperthyroidism and also hypothyroidism. Depression is also seen in adrenal disorders like Cushing's syndrome. It is also seen in adrenal disorders like Addison's disease and Cushing's syndrome. So depression is seen in hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, Cushing's syndrome and Addison's disease. Thank you and thank you for watching.